Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2006 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 33,328 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this bike will need new rear shocks. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 6/30 seconds, and the rear at 8/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs and shifts well, and it handles properly even though the suspension is soft. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's material peeling on the passenger backrest, a blemish on the saddlebag, paint cracking and peeling on the saddlebag. This bike has one key and one fob. It's been upgraded with a Reinhardt exhaust, an open stage 1 intake, an intake cover, timing cover, primary cover, chrome switch housings and swishes, an LED headlight, LED passing lamps, headlight trim ring, passing lamp and front turn signal trim rings, Harley-Davidson saddlebags, a luggage rack, braided lines and cables, foot controls, shift linkage, chrome levers, upgraded cams with compression releases, LED rear turn signals, a flush mount fuel cap, a Screaming Eagle ignition wires, fender lamp trim, front fender trim, rider and passenger floorboards, mirrors, axle caps, and chrome wheels. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.